Okay, so this is the setup. When you purchase EinkPads, I am an affiliate, but I completely endorse this product. And this is the screen personalizer that I'm showing you now. And I'll do another video to show you the template installer. And I've had these work very good for me, so I'm happy to recommend them. This is, I want to show you, this is a new product I've just made, and I want to show you, I want to install them on here and show them to you. So you come up, you pop in all the details and you click Go Connect. So let's just wait a second and it'll bring up all of the templates that are stored in your machine. Now, first of all, we're doing all the sleep screens at the moment, so we're not looking in the notebook folder, but we are going to have a look to see what happens on our screen. So these are the notebook covers, and what you also get are the sleep screens without the little badge on them. You know, I'll show you what I mean. So the notebook covers, it always does that first. The notebook covers have this space for you to write what the notebook is about. And the screens are identical, they're matching, but they don't have, yeah, I haven't worked out why my driver's doing that. They don't have the patch in the middle, it's just there for a sleep screen for you. So I'm going to put this across. So what you do is you drag your image over here, but before you do, you have to call it whatever the name of the file is. That's the trick, you have to call it. So I want it to be suspended. All right, so I'm going to replace the suspended file. So in here, I'm going to call this suspended.png is perfect. So you can see it there. Now I'm going to drag it across and it's actually going to replace this, and it should show it to us if it's working. Ready? Here we go. Drag it in. You can see the plus sign and it's thinking. Now the wheel's going around. I'm just going to have some of my coffee. Now, I do find that the first couple of times I use it, it takes a while like this, and sometimes it crashes. So I come over here, I go to force quit. You can see down there it's not responding. So I'm going to force it to quit. I'm not going to report it. I'm going to open it again. Move it back over where I want it. Go connect. Oh, do you know why? It's because my machine's not turned on. That is one of its protocols, is that the machine has to be on. See how quick that was? That's how it actually happens. So now that is already here, and I can show you that because if I do this, you do need to, you can restart it several ways. Let me, menu, settings, restart. Now it's gone back and it's working out what all the new files are, and then when I put it into suspended mode, it takes a little while. You just have to be patient. Okay, now when we put it off, there it is. Look at that. That's the suspended screen. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. I love that car with the palm tree. It's so cool. So to put it back into normal mode, right? The loading screen. So we'll come out of here. You can see the done. This is suspended.png. We're going to come down here to, you can come along and replace every single one of these files. So I'm just going to do one more. I think starting, I'm going to change the starting and the, let's have a look at the starting screen, and it says, it's taking a minute. Which car shall we pick? What car shall we pick? Actually, I think I'm going to use the gears. So what's happened over here, can you see over here? It's actually had a little hissy fit again. So I'm going to force it to quit, I'm just going to ignore the report when it comes. I'm going to reopen it and reconnect, make sure it's on and it's not in suspended mode. I'm going to go connect. Here we go. And I want to have a look at the starting screen. So that's what the starting screen looks like. I want to have a look at the restart crashed screen. So this is the one I want to replace. Remarkable is restarting. I want to replace that, and I'm going to use the gears. So to do that, I have to rename it this name here. So this gear here, I come in here and I'm in lowercase restart hyphen crashed. Right, restart dash crashed, that's all good. I'm gonna, oops, whoopsies, I double clicked. Let's go back in, but it may freeze again. No, it's good. So I'm just gonna drag it over and it should show me the picture straight away. That's how you know it's working, is if it shows you the picture straight away, then it's all good. So that one's working, and I think just for the sake of it, starting, restart, rebooting, what does the rebooting's, yeah, let's put that for the same for the two. Remarkable, just the remarkable screen. I think I'm going to go this one. So I'm going to call this starting, and then I'm going to show you it in action. Press enter. So I've got those three screens. I'm going to log out of that. Starting, drag it across. It should show it straight away. If it works, it shows you straight away. That's all good. So there's the three of them. Always restart your device here. So we go menu, we go settings, we go restart, and already the gear's already there. Can you see that? The gear stick's already there. So let's just watch it. Now that hello, yeah, the wheel is turning. It may freeze again. We're watching down here to see if it freezes again. Look at that car. That is gorgeous. There it is loading, and there it is. And then you can see the sleep screen, right, which is called suspended. And if it crashed, you would see that. So that's how you can use this software. It's still thinking. Oh, I'm just going to click done. You can see it stopped responding. I don't know why it's so glitchy. Maybe it's because it's a Mac, but it's very hard to find software for the Mac. I explored Sliven. I didn't end up downloading it. It just seemed complicated. So, and maybe it's not, but for me, it just was like, yeah, I probably won't. So I'm just going to open it again and move it over so you can see what's going on. I do have to open and close it a few times, but I just wanted to show you that so you know exactly that's the process. Make sure your machine is on and logged in and it's not in suspended mode when you go connect. And then it'll bring up all your suspension files. It's taking, there it is. These are all the files. And remember, the other key is you must rename this before dragging it over, because of the way the code is written. That's the only way it will recognize the file to replace this file here. And then, yeah, we could just go quickly and have a look now. We can see that's what that is. The starting file is going to show this beautiful car. The restart and the reboot are the same. For some reason, it's applied them to the same picture. I didn't do that, so that's interesting. Power off is this one. I normally replace that one as well. I'm not going to do it now, but because I really just wanted to make this video to show you how we do. Yeah, you can replace all of these with whatever tickles your fancy. All right, and I am going to, in the next video, show you how to use the template installer. So, it's a thumbs up. Any love on the channel is greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.